All the way from Vega Studios in Salt Lake City, it's the KGS Late Afternoon Show. And here's your host, Seabass.
Thank you. Oh, I see you. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate you all being here today. We really appreciate, thank you. Yep, we're calming down now. Okay. Now, we can get started. I really appreciate each of you being here today. I am Seabass, the host for the Late Afternoon Show with Keys to Success, but it's not all about me. I also want to introduce our in-house studio DJ, Emma. Check it. Now that we've pumped the jam, I have an exciting announcement to make. Last year, Keys to Success went statewide, and now we have over 90,000 students across the state using the Keys to Success app. We have so many exciting updates for each of you today, including some unreal prize giveaways. We also have a celebrity guest or two waiting to come on, so make sure to stay tuned. First off, let's talk shop. What does Keys to Success even do?
Good question, Seabass. Well, Keys to Success is a college and career readiness tool made with students in mind. We have amazing resources to help you start planning for your future,
including over $160 million in scholarship opportunities. Best part is, the more you use it, the more points you earn. Those points can be used for prizes.
It's pretty awesome, if you ask me.
But did you know that there are some amazing people at your school that help make Keys to Success possible? I didn't, not until now. Let's take a second to let them know how awesome each of them really are. Your key contacts, student ambassadors, and college access advisors are all amazing resources to help you kickstart your college and career plan. Be sure to thank them for everything that they do at your school and reach out to them if you have any questions. They would be more than happy to help you out. Remember, being a Keys to Success student ambassador is an amazing leadership opportunity where you can earn scholarship money for college, build your resume, and even more awesome things that you can do. The application for next year's ambassadors is now live on our website. Go to ktsutah.org to learn more today. All right, let's get things really going. What do you say we get this party started with a little game? Let's head over on to Studio 2 to see what's happening. We are so honored to have our special celebrity guests here today, influencers Glitter Girl and Fit Like Sid.
I don't even know who you are.
All right, folks, you know what time it is.
No, we don't.
You should. It is time for everyone's favorite game, Say It or Spray It. So, here's how the game works. I will ask one team a question about the Keys to Success app. If the team gets the correct answer, they will get a point. If they do not get the correct answer, they will get sprayed with water.
But what do we win?
What do you win?
Yeah, what do we win?
You win this lovely, unique plant.
Are we supposed to be excited about that?
You should be. Okay, let's go. We will start with the student team. Question 1. On the Keys to Success app, each student is asked to choose a certain number of career clusters that interest them. How many career clusters can you choose?
1, 2, 4, or 5? 5.
That is correct. Woo!
Whoa! It's Prada. Wait a second. What the? We didn't even get a question wrong.
I changed the rules. Deal with it.
Oh.
Now, if you get the question correct, you get a point, and the other team gets sprayed with water. So now, on to the next team, the influencers, Glitter Girl and Fit Like Sid. Question 1. What is the full name of the charity run for Meredith in the Office series?
That's not even about Keys to Success.
Has nothing to do with Keys to Success.
I don't even know what The Office is.
Clearly you don't know the app. So, 10 seconds.
What?
A charity. UNICEF.
Yeah.
Completely wrong. It is for rabies.
What? No, not again. Oh my god. I think that's good.
So, the student team is in the lead by 1 point. Question 2, student team. Name 4 of the 29 different prizes available to redeem on the Keys to Success app.
Okay. 2 tickets to Thanksgiving Point, 2 tickets to Tuacahn, a free Wendy's combo meal, and oh, there's an hour at Flow Rider.
Ooh, correct. Now, time for a bonus question. Can you tell me how many points it takes to redeem these prizes?
25.
Yeah, 25. All right, 25 points, correct. The team is doing great. Now, the bonus point is brought to you by all of our amazing prizes available on the app. Take a look at them all. They are just wonderful. Now, influencer team, glitter girl, Fit Like Sid, you know what that means.
Oh no.
That just happened on the show, folks. All right, moving on. Celebrity influencers, question 2.
Oh, okay.
Now,
Okay.
what is the meaning of life?
Getting the most TikTok followers.
Obviously.
Really? That's your answer?
What?
Food is the correct answer. Food is life. Okay. Moving on. Coming back to our winning team. That was a good one. Yep. All right. Coming back to the winning team, we have one final question for you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What happens to your Keys to Success account when you graduate from high school?
Doesn't it roll over to an adult account so you can use it in college?
Yes, it does! Woo! Congratulations to our winners of Say It and Spray It. Lovely, lovely, unique plants. Now, as the losers of this game, the influencer team gets a special punishment.
That's right, Seabass. Our influencers will be taking the plunge in our very own dunk tank. This tank has a high-density steel protective cage, a moderately comfortable UV-resistant seat, and holds up to 500 gallons of water. Adult supervision and operation required.
Thank you so much for tuning in to Say It or Spray It, and we will see you next week.
Oh no. Hold on.
Is this supposed to be fake?
Looks like those celebs need some time to dry off. While that's happening, let's take a moment to hear a message from our 2 main title sponsors. Listen closely. They might have some offers ready to give away.
Hi, Joe with Ken Garf, the super strong, super waterproof car dealership. Are you worried about your next oil change? Well, quit your fussing. Our 10 free oil changes will patch, bond, seal, and repair any car problems that you might have. But hold on, this is no ordinary oil change. This super thick adhesive won't cost you a nickel. It's free. And just to prove the power of this offer, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this car clean in 2.
I don't think an oil change is gonna fix a sawed-in-half car, Joe.
Imagine everything you can do with the power of a reliable car. Yeah, doggy! Log into your Keys to Success account right now and go to Opportunities and search for Ken Garf. Simply fill out the entry form once you're there and we'll announce the winners in May. Now get on!
Confused about paying for college? Trust the experts. Mountain America Credit Union is awarding $2,000 scholarships to 4 lucky recipients. A $2,000 scholarship? I can get my early education degree. Don't wait for your tuition bill. Apply for a Mountain America scholarship today. log into your Keys to Success account, navigate to the scholarships, and search for Mountain America Credit Union. Click Apply and fill out the application. We will announce the winners of the scholarships at the Ken Garff car giveaway in June. See you there.
Well, I don't know about you, but those seem like some super dope offers. Don't miss out on your chance to win today. As some of you may know, Keys to Success offers prizes to students who engage with the different features on the app. You can earn free food, passes, tickets, you name it, we got it. We want to take a chance to thank all of our amazing prize sponsors for helping Utah students prepare for their future. Let's head on over now to give them a big thank you.
And now may I present to you 29 sponsors in 1.5 minutes. We've got an Arby's Classic Roast Beef Meal and Sweet Free Drink and Cookies, a steal. Hang Time has 2 hours of jumping, and Flow Rider 1 hour for surfing. Boondocks Unlimited Fun Pass, and Provo Beach with some game cash. Free entree at Old Spaghetti Factory, and free combo meal from over at Wendy's. Thanksgiving Point has admission for 2, and Tuacahn has that deal too. iRock has a free climbing session, and Onstage Ogden has 1 admission. Aggie Ice Cream has a single scoop, and Masterpiece Images has a $150 photo shoot. Free meat plate meal from R&R, and 1 free activity from Classic Fun Center. There's Mo Betta's Mini Kahlua pork plate, and Fat Cats has a $5 bowling and arcade play. Public skating for 2 at Utah Olympic Oval, and free combo meal from El Pollo Loco. Denny's free everyday value slam, and Little Caesar's free pizza and crazy bread, free combo meal from Chick-fil-A, and 2 BYU tickets to a football game. You can get gift cards from over at Shields, and $25 for services at Paul Mitchell's. So Delicious has free drink and cookie, and Costa Vida has free drink and entree. And that is all 29 sponsors. Thank you to all of them. Now back to you at the studio.
So, thank you to all of our awesome sponsors. Remember, students, be sure to redeem your points for prizes before they expire in June. So, hold on. I'm just getting word that we have an exciting update. We have information on this year's car giveaway event. Let's turn it over now to our in-house baking specialist to give us some additional information.
Thanks, Seabass. Today I'll be showing you how to make our Keys to Success secret recipe. Now this recipe is a little complicated, but what isn't complicated is entering our end of the year car giveaway. Now first we're going to put in this Italian dressing, and the first way to enter is students can apply to be a Keys to Success student ambassador on our website to get an automatic 5 entries. Next, we're going to add this barbecue sauce, original flavor, and students can redeem up to 5 entries in the prize portal for 5 points each. Next, we're going to add a liberal amount of mustard, and students can fill out the assembly opportunity form found in the Keys to Success app. You never want to skimp on your mustard. And we are out of ways to enter the giveaway, but we still have our pickles, our Fritos, and our potato. All of these are vital cake ingredients. Then you're gonna give it a good mix just to incorporate everything. And it's gonna be a little lumpy, but that will all even out in the baking process. And you're going to bake this at 450 for 3 hours. Don't worry about any burnt smells. But here's one I prepared earlier. This is what it should come out looking like.
Wow, what a process. This is almost as exciting as our end of year grand prizes.
That's right. Our car giveaway finalists will be announced on our social media on June 3rd, and the winner will be chosen on June 9th live on KUTV. Back to you, Seabass.
I can't wait. Thanks for the entertaining demonstration. It's so good. Well, sounds like this year's car giveaway is going to be exciting. Do not forget to enter in. All right, students, who likes prizes? Here's a chance to earn even more prizes. Send us a message on Instagram at KTSUtah or on our contact form at ktsusutah.org and tell us that you saw the Keys to Success assembly video. That's all you need to do to get points for the prizes. Follow us throughout the month of April to win. Last, but certainly not least, we want the chance to award you with some extra special opportunities. Log in to your KTS account and search for the 2022 Assembly Opportunity Form. Fill this out for a chance to win big prize packs, additional car giveaway entries, and some exciting Mountain America money prizes. All right, everyone, that is all that we have for you this year. Thanks for tuning in to this year's late afternoon show with Keys to Success. We'll see you all next year. Take it away, DJ Checkers!